Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can edit picture in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone, and if you want to edit your picture, the first thing you're going to do is clicking on photo editor right here. Then just select the photo from your gallery that you want to edit. And for example, I'm going to select maybe this one. You can tap on the circle to import the photo to your project, and after that we just need to click on edit button right here, then just hold on. Okay, alright, and here we go. We can start editing the photo. So guys, this is the editing tool. We can use this tool or this feature to edit our photo. You can put tags, shapes, stickers, and you can also add overlay to your photo. You can also put filters and background. And for me, today I'm just going to adjust the photo. So just click on adjust button right here, and I'm going to adjust the brightness, exposure, contrast, saturation, and so on. Okay, and for example, I'm going to adjust the brightness. Click on brightness, then I'm going to increase the brightness. Then for the exposure as well, I'm going to increase it like this. For the contrast, like this, I'm going to increase it. Then for the saturation, okay, and for the texture, I don't want to adjust the texture. I'm going to adjust the sharpness. Then I'm going to increase the sharpness. Okay, and for the saturation, I think I should increase it again. Okay, and this is the result, guys. So after we're done adjusting the photo, we just need to click on this check mark. Okay, and I'm going to compare these result with the original one. So I'm going to click on undo button. Okay, and this is the original one, and this is the edited photo. Okay, and it looks way better than the original one, right? Alright guys, and that's how we can edit picture in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.